In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write Google Ads headlines that convert. Crafting an effective headline is crucial for your ad success. So let's dive into these 15 essential tips to make sure your headlines stand out and drive results. First things first, you'll want to go to Google Ads. This platform is your go-to tool for creating ads that attract customers and boost sales through online advertising. Once you're there, the next step is to click on Sign In. This will get you into your account where you can manage your ad campaigns, so make sure you have your credentials ready for a quick and seamless login. Now that you're signed in, navigate to the Google Ads home. This is the central hub where you can access all of your Google Ads tools and insights, helping you keep track of your campaigns and optimize them for maximum performance. From here, you'll want to click on Campaigns. This will take you to the section where you can manage all your active and inactive campaigns, giving you a comprehensive overview of your advertising efforts. Next, direct your attention to the Assets tab. Click on it to view all the assets in your account. These assets include everything from images and videos to, most importantly, your ad headlines and descriptions. To create a new one, move on and click Create Asset. Here you'll craft new components for your advertisements, including those critical headlines. Speaking of headlines, go ahead and click on Headline to focus solely on crafting that compelling line of text. Getting the headline right is crucial because it is often the first thing potential customers will notice. It sets the tone for what your ad wants to convey, so take your time to brainstorm impactful ideas. Once you're in the right section, click Add Headline. This is where your creativity comes into play. Think about what makes your offer unique, or how you can solve a problem your customers are facing. Make sure your headline is clear, concise, and compelling. Use action-oriented language and include keywords that people might be searching for. Remember, Google Ads provides tools like the Headline Analyzer, which can give you feedback on the strength and effectiveness of your headline choices. Always test different variations to find what resonates best with your audience. And there you go, you have created headlines that not only capture attention but also convert. Keep trying new ideas, test what works, and replace underperforming headlines when necessary. With these steps and tips, you're now ready to craft Google Ads headlines that truly convert. Thanks for watching and good luck with your ads. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this helpful. Happy advertising.